I hope you guys exhausted yourselves trying to get in. Uh, but if you really can't find out how to get in, I'll show you how I got in. So I'm going to be using Firefox to do this, specifically the web console. Uh, but I'm sure there's other ways you can get in using like Bird Proxy or something. So go on Firefox, Google HackTheBox invite. Go down to the invite challenge. So what you're going to want to do is go to Tools, Web Developer, Web Console. Go over to the Debugger tab. And you'll see under the HackTheBox.eu site, you'll see this folder of JavaScript files. So you just open that up. And there's this file here, inviteapi.min.js. And just quickly glancing over the code, you can see some kind of hints that this is the way to go. So you'll see something like invite, verify invite code, make invite code, generate. So we want to look at this. So I'm just going to copy it and beautify it. Just paste the code in, hit beautify code. And you'll see these two functions here, make invite code and verify invite code. So we most likely want to run this in the console. And this other function here is probably just taking the code that you enter and then sending it to their server and verifying if it's the right code or not. So let's go back to the console and run that function, make invite code. As you can see, we got an object returned. And you get this encrypted string here in ROT13. I've actually run through this a couple times, and I noticed that HackTheBox will either send you an ROT13 string or a base64 encoded string. So let's just copy this string here. And I'm going to use a tool called CyberChef to decrypt it. So if you have a base64 encoded string, just drag this tool over here, from base64 to that window. But I have ROT13, so drag this one over and paste in the encrypted string. So it says, in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API invite generate. So let's go back to the web console, go over to network, and you'll see the post request that was made when you ran the make invite code function. So just click on it, hit edit and resend. And in this window here for new request, just change the URL to API invite generate and send that. And you'll see this new post request that came up. Just click on it, whoop, and go over to the response, and you'll see this encoded string, which looks like base64 that was returned. Just copy that back over to CyberChef. I'm going to use the from base64 tool, paste in that encoded string there, and you got the key. So let's copy that. and there you go. You just sign up from here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a good time learning on Hack the Box, and yeah, thanks for watching.